Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite someone to your list or task on the TickTick application so that they can collaborate with you on your list. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and unlock TickTick by your Touch ID or passcode. Tap on the first button down below and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Collaborate, which is the fourth option. As you can see, there is the owner indicated at the top, and you can also invite members by tapping on the Invite Member button. Here you can allow TickTick to have access to your contacts, but you can also invite members by typing in their email or name, and you can also invite your friends to join in the list by sending them a link. So if you tap on the link button, you will be able to find it, and here you can select permissions, so the members that you add to your list can edit it, can comment to it, or read it only. So tap on send the link and you will be able to send the link via airdrop, messages, messenger, Facebook, Slack, Gmail, and other social networking sites. Tap on the button done, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.